You have to tell me the product name with this.
Don't mind you tell that before.
I just want to appreciate it.
Yeah, you can, but no
I can
point.
appreciate it.
You
No
can
points.
appreciate
No
what
points.
I can say
appreciate
without points. Tell you as biggest in the world. I don't care. Now tell. Wait.
This is by Zara.
Price $400.
This is by... You're a dickhead. I just said it by Zara. But
Dude, last time that... What color is this, da?
Orange.
What color is that?
Okay, we're going to the next level, boys. Product number 11, boys. Buzzers. So it's +3, -1. And the pass will still be 1 point. Okay, 0, -0. Cool? Should we go ahead?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, I thought it said the full name.
No, I blurred it out.
I saw vitamin C and then I thought the full thing is there. Why not? Fuck, bro.
What is this vitamin C?
Vitamin C face.
Hey, shut up. You don't say anything.
Dermatology approved. Vitamin C face wash or shampoo.
That's your answer.
That's wrong, obviously. But okay.
Okay, I'm going for vitamin C tablets.
Mama makes tablets also. No?
Just to
Tablets
give
or
you a
pills?
hint,
No, fucking why did I get
it's
it?
women-oriented products.
Yeah.
Vitamin C tablets, men also will eat equally. Why will I put it in a women's product?
No, but why
thought
are you
vitamin
giving
C
his guess is gone.
Why? But he got a hint, no?
That's pointless if he's going to guess. I don't think
I
he's
was
going
going to say cream anyway. I don't know.
Cream is your guess.
Yeah.
No, so wrong.
All wrong, huh?
It's a toner.
What is that?
What does
Now-
a toner do?
Now, exact.
Don't tell me usage, dude.
Yeah, so there is usage.
Tone.
Now.
Oh my god.
Now there is usage. So there are multiple usages.
Okay.
Okay. If you guys can guess for the first guess, because he's buzzard, he will get +3. Okay. If he doesn't, you can guess 1-1, and any multiple uses after that +1 each for him and for you guys.
Oh, there are multiple uses here.
There are multiple uses to this.
Oh.
Yes.
Toner means.
Dude,
What? I don't know.
dude, the only
Tone
toner
skin.
I know is from Friends. Remember Phoebe sells Do You Want Toner?
Or what does she tell?
Is it the same tone?
Oh, fuck.
Huh?
What does Phoebe tell?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
No, shut up. Anyways,
I have to guess.
usage. Anyways, it's written multiple uses. I mean, I can show you if you want. The usage is not written here.
You
I'll-
can-
Anyway,
Which one?
any dark skin to make it lighter, they use it.
Light to dark
So that's
also
your
they
guess.
can do
That's
now.
my guess.
That's your guess. No.
Oh, no, it's
So-
okay. -1 already.
Yeah, -1 already. Anyways, cute rager.
-2 by the way. You got toner also wrong.
Yeah.
Price also I'll get wrong. Only.
Yeah.
You can pass, you realize that, right? Like
Oh,
you started.
No, still there's 16 questions. How many passes per person?
7.
7.
And it's not for the entire product, only for the subcategory that you're passing.
Oh, yeah.
So basically, there are 15 into 3, 45 questions left. All the best.
Yeah.
minus 90.
Okay, toner.
Dude, but I'm not supposed to be the loser and he's not even buzzing, not even
Dude,
answering.
I don't
That
know
is
what
your
it is.
mistake.
It's not
That is
fair.
legit your mistake. I don't think it's.
Yeah, you are like buzz now. What happened? Buzz.
Is it to tighten the skin? Like.
That is one of the uses.
Okay.
Because it tightens the pores.
You get 1 point.
Dude, I was just going to say fill the pores, da.
Yeah.
What's tighten? What the fuck
No,
is
no,
tighten?
no. I'll give him the point.
He
It
gets
does.
one.
It
He
does
gets
that.
one, but
Dude,
he gets
that's
one.
He gets 1. So if anyone wants to guess the other uses, you can go ahead and guess.
No one wants to guess.
Oh wait. Is it also sunscreen?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
Sunscreen will tell name sunscreen.
No,
No, I've blurred the name.
No, but
No, they're-
usually they
the
have
answer.
multiple uses. Sunscreen
Oh, yeah, I
is
removed
always
the-
an additional use, I felt.
Okay,
Anyone
over.
wants to guess?
No.
Pass.
Oh, we can just keep. We can keep base.
It's
Oh,
a very
moisturizing.
basic product.
Moisturizing.
It tones
Yes,
your skin.
+1.
+1, no?
Yeah.
How many points will give like
It
this?
is for moisturizing.
This game is
It
just...
tones your skin. What is that? You just told that, da.
So vitamin C toner.
There's one more very typical use. I mean, I knew it without actually
It'll
having
glow.
to
It'll make your skin glow a little bit. Vitamin C makes you glow. Dude! Vitamin C usually does that.
Hey, one more -1.
He doesn't
For-
give that to me, dude. What the fuck? It does.
Does it
a tip-
hydrate your skin? Hydrating
Just
the
now
skin.
she told moisturizer means you'll use hydrate
Oh,
also.
okay. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah, use
What is that,
use
da?
it.
Hey, no, I think the multiple use will come now.
No, I haven't
No,
put.
you
No,
should
they
put
put
there.
there. Anyway, dude.
If I said multiple uses, I'd have got +1. No?
No.
Okay, what
Anyways.
is the other use?
So it's a use to remove makeup.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Price. It's Mama Earth. You can see the brands. I mean, I don't
I
know.
have no idea.
That's some famous
How
brand.
much-
How the
Yeah,
fuck
yeah,
am I know
no,
Mama
you
Earth?
guys haven't seen any. You have products below.
Yeah, but then I don't know how much a toner costs.
Guess,
Okay, just
guess
get minus
according
one.
to
You
the
at least have
products.
some reference. We don't.
Yeah, you have
20K.
some reference. I've seen
20K
products in
bro.
here.
350.
So he gets it. It is in the 15%, right?
Yeah, more or less. It's okay.
Yeah, it is in 15%.
Plus 3. Oh,
So you-
saved.
So you get plus 1.
Plus 3. I buzzard.
You got
I get-
minus 2 also, no? So product number 12 is buzzers ready in case if you want to. Whoever is buzzed,
That
which
was
is
him.
him, you have to
Me,
tell me the product name with this.
Bro, why did you tell that before?
That's why I told look and buzz.
First thing he guessed. First time he buzzed.
You have to guess with this, with this.
What is this shit?
The fuck is that?
So
Yeah. Please. What is it? Please tell us.
name, please.
Name.
But
Name.
where do you put that thing, dude?
Up
Oh, no,
here.
so you remove this, unscrew this, and you put that. That's the attachment.
Get 5 seconds, bro, to put the
Dude,
name.
I feel like that is something that
He should be
like,
passed.
you use hot air and then you comb along with it.
Dude,
I don't know what
wait.
it's called.
He's supposed to pass 5 seconds, 10
Actually, yeah,
seconds,
it's done.
15 seconds.
Will you be able to guess?
How
I
long?
was just gonna say hair dryer anyway, but
Okay, no.
Yeah.
Your turn, da.
Why my turn?
Yeah,
Clockwise.
it's clockwise.
Ah, I don't know.
Just tell something.
Hair dryer.
Do you want to guess?
I have to tell with that extra part.
Yeah, with the extra part. I mean,
What if he
otherwise,
told hair dryer?
I would have given him the points.
What is that
otherwise.
question?
It is a hair dryer with what though?
I'm going to say hair dryer and curler.
That is curl.
They curl also with hot air.
Hey, tell that.
Okay.
Give him
They
0
do
points.
actually.
Hey, shut up.
So it's called a hair diffuser.
Ah,
Okay.
Lord,
What
diffuser,
does
it
do?
not curler.
Now,
You still don't know what diffuser
no, wait,
means.
the
I know.
usage.
What?
No, we'll come to the
remove diffuser.
First of
I'll
all,
tell you.
one thing is I want to tell you guys, don't start discussing usage because you're giving away
Oh, okay,
whatever
okay.
it is.
My bad.
I mean, that might not be the case. I'm just saying because for future reference. Usage.
Get ready for
Minus
more
1 or you can
So
pass,
if I,
bitch.
If I have to ask you what the usage is, what would be the
You
usage?
can pass, bitch.
I think it's just to make sure your hair is straight when you use hot hair. It just stays fixed at one point. That's all.
Wrong.
I mean, this is just free pass, no, for me.
Yeah,
I
it's a
think
free pass.
to remove tangles so that they don't to diffuse hair.
It's like I said, it's to
Straight.
curl the hair.
How come we said it's wrong?
Dude, they do. I've seen them curl with
Shut
hot
up.
air
Okay,
also.
Okay, over. Now tell.
It is actually for curly hair drying.
Fuck, I told straight, dude. How
Okay.
tall? Bruh.
So it is for curly hair drying. And that's why that attachment is used. So if a normal person with curly hair uses a direct thing, it doesn't fluff up. So it stays down.
Right.
So this is to put the thing inside and then hair dry.
For
Fucking
curly hair,
minus
it's
3
not
I'll
to
get
curl. He doesn't get a point. It's for
Oh,
curly hair.
Yeah, it's wrong.
So
I
technically,
could,
it's supposed to be to keep
But
it
I've
down.
seen people with curls only use that, so I thought it's to
Ah,
curl
so
it.
yeah.
It's not
It's
too
not
curl.
a
It's not too curl.
Yeah, he does.
It's not
No,
too
for
curl.
me, I actually thought it
No,
was
but
to curl.
I just want to appreciate it.
Yeah, you can, but no
I can
point.
appreciate it,
You
no
can
points,
appreciate
no
what
points.
I
you
can
want.
appreciate without points. Tell you as biggest in the world. I don't care. Now tell.
Okay. So, could we have the price, please?
Oh, what is that company? Agario.
Agaro.
It doesn't matter to you. You're getting -3 anyways.
You're guessing H&M products at 20k. You shut up in this.
Why did you go out of your way and buzz this time?
2.8k.
2.8k, okay.
1.5k.
1.5k.
3K.
3k. Yours was 2.5.
2.8.
2.8.
2.8. 2.2 you told no.
No, you
Okay,
get
Okay,
it,
can I
get it.
change mine to 3.5 at least
Nope.
then?
He
No,
already
you should have been
After he
attentive.
reveals the answer, I'll
You
change
should have
my
been
answer.
attentive. But anyways, the answer is
Oh, he's
2.5.
Does
He
that
got it.
come?
he's right.
yeah, you got it.
You got it.
You got it.
-2, bitch, 1.
But +1. You got +1.
Plus one.
Plus one. So
Oh, yes.
we have +1,
He's still lower, no?
0, 0.
He's
I
still
don't
below
think
me,
I'm
dumb
doing
fuck.
+1, 0, 0. Sure? Check if you're with the same product. 12. Correct? Okay, sure. Now again, I'm telling you guys, please look before you buzz
Why?
it.
I got +1, bro. I'll blow it up. So,
What will blow out? But anyways.
don't have that diffuser.
Okay, so product number 13, we have.
Oh no.
Has to be me.
It is you. So, Mr. Mooncake.
It's a tampon.
Okay.
Not easy, dude.
Uses is for
Easy.
Yes, it is a tampon.
yeah.
Usage.
During menstruation, women use it. What do you mean?
What does it do? What does it do?
Soaks up blood.
Correct.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So it does absorb menstrual flow.
Yeah.
Bro, this usage is not fair. Huh? Even I knew that.
Next.
It's
Price.
And price for an 18 pack. Tampax is, I think, one of the top brands that they have in the US as well as here.
Hey, don't give hints. Shut the fuck up.
What?
Did you tell
No,
me
you
what
didn't
about
Quantity.
No,
I'm
no.
telling you, the Tampax
He
is
told
like.
it's the famous one.
Yeah, it's a famous
don't
brand.
Say that, don't say that.
No,
Oh,
no,
you know what?
Most.
Fuck you. I'm passing. I'm just gonna take +6. Fuck off.
You're on +9 now.
No, I'm
So
pass.
he's
Pass.
passed it.
Yeah, I passed it.
He's passed it. He's used up one of his passes now. Okay. So,
So, am I supposed to answer in rupees or dollars or what?
no, this is in rupees.
$200?
Thank you. I get free pass.
Yeah, he gets a free.
$400.
$400.
Oh.
+1, bitch.
Bonus question
Oh.
for this.
For buzzers.
Yeah, you will have to +1 -0.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you can tell me how it is applied,
How it is applied? Okay.
yeah, how it is used,
Okay.
then I will give you. How is it
It's
used?
just plugged in.
Into what? Switcher?
No, you put it in and the thread hangs out.
How do you put it in?
The
What do
sex
you
education in this
no,
country.
you push it in. What do you mean?
I feel like it's like the things that you put in your, you press it completely and then put it in and then it automatically expands. Is that right?
No, it isn't. It isn't.
I think you put it in, then you pull the string out.
Oh my god!
No, to pull. If you pull the
my
string out, it comes out, da. The string is supposed to be the part that's
I don't know. That's
supposed to
why I
be out.
passed. I don't know.
that is the worst case I've heard.
he's telling-
Anyways, the way that it's done is there's a plastic applicator, okay,
Ah.
so which looks like a syringe kind of a thing. So you
Ah.
put it in and then you press it, and then you pull out the plastic thing and the string stays out.
Yeah.
So that's how it is. So that's how they take it out. They will
Yeah.
not search inside.
I didn't understand what he said, but okay.
It's okay. Next.
Okay, product number 14
Hey,
Keep your
one
buzzers
second.
ready.
One second. First
Product
of all,
number
I'm in too much
14.
debt.
is
No, I shouldn't have.
Hey, it's easy, da.
I think nail tips.
I know, but I want you to give me the material.
Acrylic nail tips.
That
Correct.
is easy, da. Why didn't you blur that
I
out?
didn't realize.
Hey, come on, that's not
I
fair.
didn't realize.
Fuck you.
He wouldn't have gotten it if it wasn't written out.
dude,
there.
I
Okay,
know
this doesn't
nail
have
things in it.
usage. So
Yeah, it doesn't
go
have
ahead
usage.
and tell me the price.
Price I'll pass.
That's 3 points.
I
I'll
can't
pass.
even read from here where it said nail tips, da.
I'm
Why
passing.
can't you read that? Da? It's written right there.
Yeah, no, I saw it later, but that fucker is.
I told you the material also. I deserve 3 points.
I gave you
Yeah,
3.
price I'm passing.
So 2 passes done. Boys, Raja.
You do. Fuck you.
Bro, I'm winning. Yeah, gone
You said
chal raha,
later.
bro.
Yeah, man.
No, chill.
$500.
500 is a
Yeah.
guess. And if
How-
you,
how
are,
many-
you have a
what-
free pass.
That's just one box, no?
Yeah, it's whatever you see. I mean,
300.
300 is a guess.
Oh,
I
just-
want to give it to him, but
No,
not
no.
fair. Not fair. We have product number 15. Buzzers are ready, boys.
Oh, ready, bro. Ready.
Karta, bro, tum ready? So let's get started. The product is
Bro.
Oh, I've never seen that in my life. This is the first time I'm seeing it.
okay.
Oh.
5 seconds. 4.
Give him 15.
It's the mustache hair, that thing that I don't know what it's called. Dude, the thing that you remove.
It's a hair remover kind of thing.
Yeah.
That is what you're saying.
Yeah.
If you had to give it a name,
Dude, I don't. I mean, it's that thing you remove. Basically, to remove the mustache hair. I don't know what it's called though. But
No, but that's the game. I don't know what
Okay.
it's called.
wait.
it's wrong.
Oh, I told you.
It's wrong.
not that
It's
thing.
been more than 20 seconds.
Dude,
Forget
that's
5.
what it is. No.
Forget
What
5.
are you telling me? I know the answer.
Yeah, he knows the
That's
answer.
what it is. No, it seems.
Okay, you leave over. Chill.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
you have a
Katham.
free guess.
Oh,
You have a free
I
guess.
just want.
Is it for threading? Threader or whatever it's called? No?
If you were to guess,
That is to.
That's called thread.
But yeah.
Threading.
That is to
Sewing.
stitch. I don't know.
I am okay. I knew this before I'd made the quiz.
Okay.
Just to tell you guys.
For flexing, huh?
What is
I'm just telling
What
you.
is the
Yeah,
point of that
seriously, what is-
information?
Why do you have to dishonor
I
that?
So
knew
should I tell
this
you?
before
Ah.
baking. Blackhead remover.
Oh fuck!
Oh
I would
fuck
have
yeah,
known that.
dude.
You've seen videos. Come on.
I got this done.
You're an idiot then. You're an idiot.
Oh my god!
It's a blackhead remover.
I wouldn't have known that.
So, guess the price.
Price.
It's by the company Vega. So the
Oh,
MRP.
it was very cheap
I'm
last
gonna
time.
guess.
So
Yeah.
I mean, $250.
100.
No wait, it's his.
Oh,
80.
bastard. 100.
Why would you guess overlapping answers?
It's okay.
It's a smart thing not to guess overlapping
no,
answers.
but
no?
I think it should.
Close.
No,
Closest one will
but
win
because
anyway.
he will get the point if it's in between both of you guys.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why. So if
No,
you
but
want
you
to
can give it to the closest, right?
Oh, then can I just change them?
Okay, cool. I'll give it to the
Yeah,
closest.
let
I'll
him
give it to the
give the
closest.
closest.
Okay, fine. If it's that way, then I'll give it to the closest.
Oh, exact.
He
Oh,
got
dot.
bang.
Nice.
I mean, but he thought it was for threading. It was for sewing, so I could actually give him -1 for that. But
Hey, shut up.
Product number 16. We have buzzers ready, please. We have
That looks like a top, but I'm sure he'll be like, guess
Yeah,
the
I
top.
don't know
I
what
want a
is
specific name. Yes, I
What
want
is
a
the
specific
cut
name.
of the top and all he'll ask me?
Okay, should I give you guys a hint?
Yeah.
Okay,
By the way, there's a buy 3 get 15% off.
yeah, this is by
going on, guys.
50% off.
It's a useless
So,
information.
buzzers are again on top. The hint is Mexicans are teased for wearing something like this.
Teased.
Yes, it's correct. Yeah, it's a general racist comment that is made against Mexicans for wearing this.
If you want to risk it,
डर के आगे जीत है. Come
Okay.
on.
Tank top. Horrible.
Tank top is
Dude,
what
hey,
you wear to the
don't-
gym like a
fuck.
banyan.
it's a
For
bunny.
that
the
you
women.
risked it.
Dickhead, no.
For women.
She.
For that you risked. Okay, so do you guys want to guess? You can have free guesses. Free
I
guesses.
didn't know it'd be such a dumb fuck.
Free
guess.
guesses. Free guesses.
Chumma
Is it
minus
a
Faster.
hula? I don't know.
Okay, well, you guess something.
I don't know.
I don't even think that was a word.
Some Mexican name I tried.
Huh?
I'm just gonna say crop top.
This is not a crop top.
Crop
I
top
don't
is
know.
without
My
that.
God. Interesting. So it's a poncho.
fucking sick bastard.
You heard
They
poncho,
have
right?
dresses
Yeah, I've heard
where-
poncho. I
You've
don't
heard
know what
poncho,
it
right?
was.
You've
Yeah,
never
I've
seen
heard of
what a
poncho.
poncho is?
I've heard of poncho.
Okay.
Never in
No.
my life.
Sure. So if you guys had to guess the price, this is by H&M, by the way.
H&M, huh?
So
This
you
will
buzzed,
be-
so you can
yeah.
guess the price.
This will be $6.99.
$6.99.
Say 700. Huh?
No, because I want to get it on the dot.
No, I mean if it's clockwise, actually you should be guessing. No, have we
No,
been
we've-
going
we've
anti?
been going
We've been
with
going
this.
anti.
$8.99.
Okay.
$900 basically.
So I mean 700, 900. What is your guess?
800.
Just make it difficult for the host.
Okay, yeah. So I mean usage was there, but fuck it, I'm not giving you usage.
I would have got the point.
No. So the price.
Oh, yes, sir.
$6.99.
It's
No
not
one got
fuck.
it.
Product number 17 is
He'll ask what is the type. That is the
no.
issue.
I will not ask you what is the type.
It's a bikini.
It's not, Oh, obviously not.
It's not. What is it then?
Free guess.
Is it Spanx? No. Spanx.
Spanx. No.
Dude, they have that.
I think it's like a swimming.
The one Priyanka Chopra
It's-
wears
it's
in
to-
Dostana
no,
is
it's
this.
to push your belly in, basically.
Okay, the name is wrong completely. Okay,
Is it a body
it's a bodysuit. He said it at the end moment.
Bro, this is what Priyanka Chopra wears in Dostana, no?
Next,
No, next.
next usage.
Bodysuit usage will be pass, I think. Oh, no, I'll tell.
Hey, he told pass. Over. He
Two.
told pass.
To like when they're wearing dresses to shape properly, I guess.
It's to tuck the tummy.
Then what shape means what? What else?
No, I mean both are the same, but
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you what it is for exactly. It's so that this t-shirt doesn't come up, it stays fixed. When you tuck a t-shirt in, it doesn't
That is
come
the
up.
correct
How many guesses he'll get?
no, that is the correct answer.
How
I mean,
many guesses he'll get?
it's fine. For once, I'll give it. Because I don't.
Did you at least know that?
Would you have answered?
I didn't listen to.
No, I don't think you'd have answered.
It's
So
to
I'll-
keep it
I'll-
tucked always.
Yeah.
What to keep what up?
So
That's-
basically, if you bend, etc., sometimes your t-shirt or your
comes
shirt
up.
comes out, right?
Dude,
so this is
yeah.
actually
and I
a
knew
t-shirt.
the
Can we-
name of
can
the
we have-
This
bodysuit
is
also.
the
Can-
t-shirt.
can
And
we-
honestly, he also said bodysuit at the
Can
end.
we-
So
can
I feel bad for him.
Price, price is
This is by Zara.
Price $400.
This is by. You're a dickhead. I just said it by Zara. But
Dude, last time that.
What an idiot.
Dude, last time that
He said
inside
400.
thing, whatever they wore, it was cheap, nah.
What a dumb fuck. Anyways.
Dude, I also get 2 guesses. He got 2 guesses.
Hey, Buzz.
Dude, honestly, the point I've given him is also because he said bodysuit and I then went to the next question. So twice he's actually done that.
Dude, last time something innerwear or something came up, and that was very cheap. That was very cheap.
Yes.
1.5k.
2.5k.
So Raja
Oh.
gives them.
Yo.
Okay. Buzzers ready? The product is. Okay, I'll consider that.
It's to put makeup, that foundation or whatever.
I
cream
asked you
they put.
name, dickhead, not usage.
Sponge. Makeup sponge. Makeup sponge. Okay, you give me the usage point you give. You take name you take. Usage
Name?
is that, okay? Usage I told of already. God knows. Who knows that name?
Looks like a beanbag, dude. Red drop.
Fuck, I don't get it. Anyways, this can be in different colors, by the way, just saying.
Oh, okay.
So the name is a beauty blender.
Beauty blender.
Yeah.
Usage is
What is-
absolutely right.
What is GUB?
The company name. The company name.
It's,
Bro.
it's absolutely right. No,
A short form for
Usage-
something.
usage I've told no.
No, reiterate.
To put makeup, foundation or whatever, to smudge it in, mix it properly,
Perfect.
to look good.
Perfect.
You understood the word blender, so don't.
No, he'd actually guessed it
I
before.
told
He guessed it
before,
before.
Okay.
He guessed it before. He knew what it
haters,
was.
bro. These
So
haters.
price. The brand is GUB. I don't know.
If you-
Whatever I found top on Amazon, I've kind of put these kind of products.
180 rupees.
Okay, if you had to guess.
$100.
250.
Oh, nice one.
Fucking bang on.
We got
In
this.
medium, the second last question is.
I did it.
Yeah, it was him.
Ah, fuck.
Menstrual cup.
Yeah.
Plus
Fuck.
3.
That was easy, dude. How would you
Usage.
do it first,
2.
always?
Dickhead, that's his name and usage.
Wow,
Don't
what does
get
a
horny.
menstrual cup do?
Huh?
What
Menstrual cup.
What do you
Cups
think?
the
is-
menstrual flow.
It holds the
collects.
menstrual
So
flow.
it's an
Collects.
alternative to a tampon.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't know all this. Da.
You didn't know?
I didn't know.
You
Okay,
should
sure.
know what to.
You should know. I mean, it's for to educate you guys. It's not a.
Yeah, I know. I mean,
But I mean, but
don't
there'll be
really-
a punishment.
If I give added like information about it, do I get plus points?
Ah, yeah.
No.
You do one thing. Make on PPT. Points.
Like how I did, you can make on PPT.
You
and
also
come.
make on PPT.
Make on PPT.
Okay.
Anyways,
Huh. Usage is given. Now price
price
150.
150.
Pack of something I don't know. I'm telling
No,
you.
no,
for
it's one. It's one.
150.
I know some. Okay, I'll just tell. It's a clue for you. That thing is reusable, so it should be expensive.
Oh, it's reusable?
Yeah.
Oh.
Till now, all the hints he's given, you know.
No,
what
it is
happened.
actually reusable. That's why it's.
Hey, you
good
tell
for the
me.
environment.
I am not going to verify.
They didn't ask you.
I
all
am
that.
not going to verify the fact.
Reasonable.
I'll probably go for $500 or maybe even higher.
What is your
500.
guess? What is your guess?
150.
My guess was 150.
150, 500. What is your guess?
50.
This is
Oh yeah. See.
Oh,
Oh, so it's
It's
actually
quite
true.
expensive. Yeah.
No, I didn't trust him.
whatever you were supposed to guess.
I think this is the first time I'm like, okay.
No, I didn't trust him. That's why.
This is the first time I was shocked.
Yeah.
Not the bodysuit time. This is actually.
It's healthier for the women and it's good for the environment because it's
Okay,
reusable.
Let me give you the bonus point for
Why?
good things. For the question I'm going to ask. The question is, how long can it be used for?
How long?
Oh, no minus anyway. No, it's a bonus. So I'm going to say 1 year.
1 year.
Wait, when
Plus
you
or
mean
minus 15%.
No.
It's
Okay.
not priced.
No price. If you had a guess?
No, his turn. You guess first.
No, he pressed.
No, he.
No, I did this first. No, it's always
Oh,
been
it's clockwise only always.
No,
I
no.
mean, you can. If you-
Bonus is always this thing. It's okay.
Okay,
you answer.
what do you tell 1 year? I'll probably go for 5 years.
for how long can it be used?
I shouldn't have given you guys this information.
four-
I would have got some
4
points.
to 5 months.
So we have
One point.
Mr. GB getting the +1.
Medium.
This is the last medium question that you will have.
The hell is there in hard?
And the product is, Buzzers Ready Boys, is
Oh fuck! I don't know why.
I want you to give a specific name to this.
Fuck.
Who did? Who buzzed it first?
Me.
Yeah, Mr. Rager.
Yeah,
By the way,
boy.
this does not have usage. I will, after you've guessed the name, I will show you the name. I want you to give me the derivation of the name, where it was derived from.
What
Is that
what
a
language or something?
Yeah,
Is it worth a point?
That's a bonus.
Oh yeah.
That's not
Is
a
that a
bonus.
bonus or-
No, that is part of the.
Uh,
Raja, bitch. What do you see, bitch? Come on.
I pass.
Oh fuck. Closest to ghost him.
Mhm. So he's used up one pass. He's used up two passes.
I'm gonna pass too.
So
I'm passing. No, actually, I'm not passing. I'll.
You will get negative for this.
Yeah, I know.
I have no idea what that is.
I'll also pass.
So the name is. It's called a slave bracelet.
Sleeve bracelet.
Yeah.
Oh.
So if you tell me now, Rager,
Okay.
where the derivation of this was from, what do you think it would be?
What? Is this?
Is this a bonus or
Don't-
is it a
No, it's a
No,
bomb.
don't say it. Don't say it.
Derivation.
Feels wrong to
It's just
tell
history,
what
bro.
I feel.
It's just history.
Derivation meaning which country or which incident or something like that.
How did it get its name?
It's tied to a slave's hand. It's
Hey,
like
does anyone
similar
else want to guess?
Is that wrong?
That is wrong.
Slave
Oh, fuck.
bracelet, I think.
It's
No, I don't
from
know.
Master Slave Network.
Is two?
It's from a Master Slave Network.
What do you mean?
That's a computer thing.
It's funny. It's a joke. It's
Oh
No,
my
it's a computer thing. I'm not kidding.
Okay.
Any guess?
No, tell reveal. I don't know. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah. So it is what you thought it was most probably.
Okay.
So it was used to identify slaves.
What is the use of this?
So it used to have a name tag or a number tag here.
oh, so
No, that
basically,
is okay. Now what is the use of this?
No, women wear this. This is a bracelet, and then that ring part goes into one of the things. So it comes like that.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
price.
So no,
Price?
wait. There is price.
Ah.
So this is in dollars.
What the hell is that thing made of? But is that diamonds or what is that? How?
It's called a slave
Then
bracelet.
it can cost anything.
It's called a slave bracelet.
If that's
Okay,
made of
okay.
diamonds.
Hint is not made out of diamonds.
It's not made of diamonds.
It's not made out of diamonds.
Fuck.
5, 4, 3.
Hey,
I'm
It
supposed to tell in
wasn't for the
dollars.
Huh?
I'm supposed to tell in dollars.
Yes.
Yeah, dollars.
I'm going to get negative for no reason.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pass then.
Pass. Okay.
No, that's not a valid price.
Do you want to guess or do you want to pass?
I'm guessing. I'm not passing. I'm gonna guess $10.
$10 if you have to guess.
I have to guess.
For you, it's a free pass now.
Yeah. $13.
$13.
Can I still answer? Because
No, you. Why
No, it's
you
done.
passed? How will you get the chance?
Okay.
How does that fair?
Cool.
What?
$5 it seems.
Dude, that's not.
it's a jewelry item. So I mean, don't you expect it to be kind of expensive?
Yeah, but still, I don't think that
$10,
price is...
$15 and all in India. you
Now
might-
negative points are
You'll
getting
get for
means-
$10 also if maybe the answer is right.